Today was a beautiful day, so I decided to go on a nature walk. Let me show you all the cool things I found along the way. I saw short grass, medium-length grass, and I saw this plant that looked like tall grass blowing in the wind. When I looked in the grass, I could see tree roots. I saw big, tall trees. I saw medium-sized trees. And I saw teeny, tiny trees. When I looked on the ground, I saw a puddle, had leaves floating in it. I also saw other things on the ground, like big pine cones, medium-sized pine cones, even small pine cones. I saw winged seeds that fluttered when the wind blew. I found seed pods on the ground, and I found pollen. I saw lots of rocks, little rocks, medium-sized rocks, and some big rocks too. This one was really big. I saw pointy rocks and stepping stones and even painted rocks. This one has a message. It says breathe in and out. And I saw so many plants in all different shapes, colors, and sizes. Some were big, some were small. I saw some with big leaves, some with small leaves, and even some fuzzy, furry leaves. Some of the plants were growing fruits, like this lemon tree or this kumquat tree. This bush had red berries growing on it. I saw some bugs too, like these ants marching in a line. I saw honeybees pollinating the flowers. They were hard at work. There was a roly-poly, but he wasn't rolling, he was just walking. And I saw a spider who was running almost too fast to see. There was a much slower spider sitting on a flower. I saw a ladybug sitting on a leaf, and a wasp taking a rest in the grass. When I looked under a rock, I found this slow, slimy slug. I even saw some animals on my nature walk, like this bird on the fence, and a lizard sitting on a ledge in the sun. I saw a nest for squirrels and a nest for birds, and a rainbow of flowers. There were white flowers, and red flowers, orange flowers, and yellow flowers. I saw blue flowers and purple flowers and pink flowers. I can't wait to go on my next nature walk.